How to make a company page on LinkedIn. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can make a company page on LinkedIn. So let's dive in. First you have to log into your LinkedIn account and then open your feed, and then you have to just click this for business on the top right corner and it's going to bring you to this page. And now you simply have to scroll down and choose create a company page. Just click on the plus sign and then it's just going to bring you to this page. Now you have to choose company, showcase page. You can choose educational institution. Just create a LinkedIn page that best suits your need. I'm just going to go with this company page over here. Once you click this company page, you have to enter the name of your organization, your linkedin.com or company's LinkedIn address, and then add your page public URL, and then the website, the industry, and then organization size. Over here you can choose any, and then you can go to the organization type and choose any type over here, and then go to the logo, and here you can just choose to upload a file from your PC or desktop, and then add a tagline, and then click I verify that I'm authorized representative of this organization and all this. And then you can read the LinkedIn page term over here and then simply click create page. And that's how you create a company page on LinkedIn. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.